Good medical morning. This is Watson with World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to cover eyeball cysts. Seriously, eyeball cysts? Oh man, now I have something else to worry about. The medical term is conjunctive inclusion cyst. A conjunctival cyst is a cyst on the conjunctiva of your eye. The conjunctiva is that clear membrane that covers the white part of your eye. It also lines the inside of your eyelids. Let's look at some examples, removal, and treatment. While you watch, please click subscribe and the notification bell for updates. If you're feeling extra ambitious, click that like button too. So go ahead and comment below. Have you ever heard of these before? What are your thoughts on the condition? See you next time.
Snooki shares the secrets to her 50-pound weight loss.
Hey everyone, this is Snooki, and I wanted to give a shout out to all the crew at Thernergy. I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals. Yes, queens. So I lost a lot of weight too, thank Christ. So I know how hard it is to lose the weight and stay in shape. I get it, guys. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. Good job.